What's going on YouTube? JB here. Today we're going to be doing us a little camping in Natchez State Park right outside of Natchez, Mississippi. And tomorrow we're going to ease on down the Trace and take a look around and making a stop off at the Sunken Trace. Hope y'all enjoy the video. We'll be back right after this.
Well, as you could see, I've been busy. I got the tent set up. Went and got some ice. Re-iced all my stuff down. Ice packs just don't last. So I bought a foldable cooler and just decided I'd go get ice and see how that works out. Went and cut up a few limbs. So got me a little firewood for tonight. And it's only 3 o'clock. Be dark in a couple hours. I'm tired. That's one thing about these camping trips. They ain't that relaxing. But as far as I know of, I've got everything done. Now I can just kick back. One thing about this campsite, it's site number 46. It's directly across from the bathhouse. But behind us, you can't really see it. I'll try to have some pictures on Instagram. But behind us, it's a little hollow, and it's got a bunch of trails down in it. I can walk down in it to get my firewood. So as it gets later in the evening, might see some deer. Who knows? Well, dang. You can't see me at all. Yeah, just sitting here relaxing by the fire. Actually, I've already burned up most of the wood. Had a good supper, got everything cleaned up. Just kind of relaxing. I'm gonna sit here for a little while longer, and then I'm gonna probably run up, change clothes, and then just kind of crawl in the tent and lay down. Get everything charged up, and ready for tomorrow. So, as of right now, I'm gonna tell y'all good night. I guess I will see y'all in the morning.
Alright, we got everything cleaned up, packed up, and on the road again. We're going to get out of the campground and we'll go see a few of those little twisties that I was talking about in the last video. I didn't do any recording really on the way in, not much anyway. So I'll show y'all a few of the curves on the way out. There'll be a lot more than what I actually have, but I give y'all some of the highlights. It's really a fun ride to come in, so if you ever are out this way, swing by over here. If nothing else, ride out to the lake, take a look around. One thing when you are out here, gotta be watching out for deer. There are several in the area since it's right off of Natchez Trace, and I have seen several when I was coming up through here. Just treat it like you would if you were riding on the trace, because there are deer everywhere. So as always, be careful when you ride, especially when you ride these twisties. Leaves, water, anything can make it a little slippery. Yeah, and speaking of deer, there are hunters in the area this time of year. They allow bow hunting in the park with permits, I think. If you're going to bow hunt out here, just check with the rangers on it. Make sure they know what's going on. But we're almost out of the park. Like I said, I didn't get all the twisties, just a few of them, just to give you a taste of what they have out here. As I've said several times before, this is one of my favorite campgrounds. So if you're out doing a little camping, check it out. It's well worth it. All this is just some old buildings that have been here as far as I've been coming back over here. Right up here on the right was an old store long ago, and as you can see, it's falling in, and yeah, I'm not sure how much longer they're going to be standing. Alright, we are getting back on the trace, and we'll take a look and see what we got. As I said in the last video, I think I came out too early to try to get the leaves. That was one of my main points for this video, was get the leaves after they changed, but my timing was off. But we'll take a look around and see what we can see. Still pretty. I love riding through here. The Traces to me is one of the ultimate places to ride, just because of no real commercial traffic, not a lot of traffic in the first place. Just easy riding. No sharp turns, no steep hills. Well, at least when you get to the other end, closer to Nashville, I think it gets a little steeper. I haven't made it that far yet, but I figure because you're getting up into the mountains a little bit, it probably gets a little bit steeper. But as far as down here, flat, slow sweeping curves, lots of history. But oh, that's Mount Locust. I'm gonna have a video coming up on it later. But right now we'll just enjoy the scenery. And apparently they've had some damage, I guess, from the hurricanes and stuff that came through a while back. I've noticed a lot of trees down the last few times I've ridden out here. Oh, there's a few that have changed and are halfway decent. See, The trace is not all trees. We do have a few open fields, at least a few down this way. But oh, got a few turkeys out this morning. We should be getting close to the Sunken Trace, so I'm gonna just sign off for now, and I will see y'all when we get there. We'll walk down the trail a little bit. Right down there. Well, right down there. And let y'all see it. I love the woods in the fall. No snakes. Of course, this is Mississippi, so they can be here at any time. Looks just like a gully. Hard to believe this is part of the old trace. We got a lot of trees down through here. So I'm gonna have to get over some of these. I'm not sure I'll be able to get down in it today, but we'll go down and see. Made it through the obstacles. Let's go on down a little further. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get down there. I might be able to get part of the way down. I don't feel up to doing a lot of climbing today. That's what we just come down. All right, now let's start this climb. All right, almost back to the bike. I guess we will get saddled up and keep riding. I didn't realize until I got back on the bike that all my cameras had stopped working, so I had to use a little other footage to get this little bit. So we'll wrap it up here. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. And as always, if you have any comments, things you want to see, things I can improve, just drop me a line and let me know what I can do better. As I've said before, I'm just starting out, and we'll take any of the comments I can get on how to make it better and to give y'all the content y'all want. Alright, until next time, as always, be safe.